These are logging to Microsoft 365 Business Basic to access the admin center. And being a first-time user, just need to acquire the required subscription from Microsoft's official website. So the first thing I do is to go to their website to get the subscription. I click on Microsoft.com. Then I scroll to Microsoft 365 and click on it. It brings out the available plans. Then I make my choice. Okay, we've selected Microsoft 365 Business Basic and have 3 steps to fill: subscriptions and account details, sign-in details, add payment, confirm and complete order. These are explained in my previous video. See details in the link below. Fill the form successfully, then you get an email containing the Microsoft Admin Center login credentials, which has the username and the password. Then proceed to admin.microsoft.com and log in to Admin Center using the login credentials provided. Select work or school accounts. I selected work account. As successful login, you'll be required to download Microsoft Authentication app and set up multi-factor authentication using the app. You can also do that manually. After the successful setup of the multi-factor authentication, use the code provided in it to log in. You are now logging to the admin center. Sometimes during scanning the code for multi-factor authentication, you may get this error: could not connect to this account. There are many reasons why this error may occur. but how I resolve it is to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. I was having mobile data on my phone, and then I quickly switch to Wi-Fi on the phone I'm using to scan the QR code, and it works. In case you're experiencing this, do not panic. Just use this method and it will be resolved. Logging on to Microsoft Authenticator, at the left panel you have the home, you have the co-pilot, you have the agents, you have the users, you have the teams and groups, you have the billing options. You also have the setup, customization, navigation, and you have the show all. I'll also recommend that you explore all these options. You also have options for users, teams, products, upcoming changes, learn, and others. Please drop your comments at the comment section.